So I'm out driving. It's Sunday, February the 12th. It's actually my mom's 60th birthday. I'm so excited. My mommy is 60 years old. 60 years wiser. Anyhow, it's so amazing and I'm so excited because listen, let me tell you, this is how excited I am. My eyebrows are not done. They're Cookie Monsters. And yeah, all that good stuff. But anyhow, I'm so excited, y'all, because I'm really stepping out on faith. I never thought this in a million years. If you would have told me this at 25, heck, even at 30, 31, 32, about leaving your job and starting your own stuff. Listen, and I'm not necessarily leaving my job because I do have a weekend job, but my godmother told me, hey, you're stepping out on faith. So I'm really stepping out on faith with this. My goal is to one day have my own child care center. But since I'm not there yet and things are not rocking and rolling for that, excuse my ashy hands because I know they ashy. Things are not rocking and rolling on that. God gave me the bright idea to start my nannying services here in St. Pete. So that's what I'm doing. St. Pete, Tampa, Clearwater, Orlando. Whoever call me, I'm going. My joy is kids. I love kids. Kids are like neck and neck with me loving music. So anyhow, back to the story. My last day at my full-time job was Friday. So I'm going to my full-time job starting tomorrow. So I'm super excited. I've done a lot of stuff. So this is super exciting, and it really made me realize that you just have to step out on faith sometime, and God will take care of the rest. You take care of what God has already given you, and He will give you more for that. And bless people. You get in these own businesses, bless people. Don't be greedy. Don't, so, and don't be greedy can mean a lot. It's not always about money. So I'm excited. So I thought I would document it this morning. I hate the word morning. This great Sunday, I thought I would document it. So yeah, I'm doing that. And then, I've always been this girl that would go out, or this woman, because I'm a woman now, but back then I was a girl at the time. I was in my 20s. I was a young woman then, but I would always go out and get contracts, which was like concerts and events and different things of that nature. But today it's totally different because I always had a full-time job. See, for a concert, you can take off Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Just put in your notice and be like, hey, I need your request, and be like, hey, I need these days off. But for something in this nature, you can't, because they need you full-time. So I'm excited. It's not my first time doing this. I've done it several times in Atlanta, but the thing was, I worked on the weekends overnight, so I still had a full-time job. So yeah, so we'll see. It's a little different, so we'll see. God's gonna take care of me, so y'all just pray for me out there, and everybody keep going out here. I don't like to use the word hustle, and one day I'll probably do something about that and talk about that, because I don't like hustling. Hustling makes you sick, and that's not for us women to be out here doing. We should be gracefully living, having fun, and enjoying life. So yeah, I'm doing what God has gifted me to do. That's what it is.